Hello, this is a video of me soldering together a basic LED flashing circuit. This was inspired by a video that BigClive.com did, where he put together one of these kits as a soldering practice kit. I bought it, shipped from China, for the grand total of £1, including postage, and assembled it. It was fairly straightforward to assemble. There's no instructions with it, but the circuit board had silkscreen printing for where all of the components go. So it's got all the components marked out on them and what values they are. Put together really easily. My soldering clearly isn't brilliant because I had to reflow a couple of the solder joints to get it to work. So the circuit was called Simple Flashing Circuit Electronic Production Electronic Suite DIY Kit. As you can see, it went together fairly easily. Soldered all the bits together. And yes, it took me half an hour, and so you clearly don't want to watch me doing this for half an hour, so I've sped it up a bit. It's the first time I've ever tried to put a video together. I have put the clips together using a program called Hit Film Express, which is one that is free to download and use. There's also quite a lot of YouTube tutorials on how to do different basic bits in there, and also some tutorials on how to do some much more advanced bits in there. It will support green screens and things like that. It's not something I'm going to get to before I've tried the basics of it. But I thought I'd put it together, and I shall share it with YouTube, having watched quite a lot of YouTube videos on various bits and pieces. I thought it's about time I had a go at putting something out myself.